For the first time, you walked out on me for saying my mind.
Andy, please. This is an office environment and I do not want what ensued in your house to repeat itself here. Please.
Tell me you don't love me. Look me in the eyes, Olive, and tell me you don't love me.
What do you expect me to say? What will people say? What will your ex-wife say? That I've been waiting for you guys to have issues so I can marry you?
I'm not going to leave here until you say yes to me.
No.
Olive, why are you doing this? Tell me you love me.
No. I can't get... Do I love him? Oh. Yes, I do. No.
You said he is divorced already.
Yes, Father.
Did he wed in a Holy Catholic church?
No.
And he has collected the bride price paid on her head?
Yes, Father.
In this case, if you love him and you feel at peace with the present relationship, you can go ahead and marry him.
Father, my biggest worry is about his ex-wife. What will she say about me?
My daughter, do you love him?
He's a very good man, Father.
You love him then. Follow your heart. Go ahead. Come, let us pray. Give me your hand. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
What is it? What bothers you?
Andy proposed.
Yes! Yes! I'm so happy. Hi. Hey. He's 5 million richer now. He can take care of you.
It's not about that.
Did you say yes?
What will people say?
People? What people? Where were those people when he was mentally down and you took care of him?
Brenda is my best friend.
We made her your best friend. And wait, don't tell me you turned him down.
I did. What? It would look like I'm happy about their separation. I just wasn't happy about it.
Olive, I know you very well. This is a matter of heart. If your heart beats for Andy, why not?
He did?
Yes.
Oh, wait, let me understand this. Why in heaven's sake would you want to marry a wretched man? Come on, babes, you're too big for this.
Babe, all I want to know is this. If I happen to accept his proposal, will that offend you in any way? I mean, would you be angry with me or would you see me as an enemy?
Why would I? I am so done with him. Let me ask you a question.
Yes.
Do you love him?
He's the only one I can say that to.
Well, good luck then.
Just 1 minute. Please, wait. I love you.
What do you want?
I said I love you and I'm sorry. Please.
You do?
Yes, I do.
It's too late.
No, wait, Andy, wait, I'm sorry. Wait, please.
I said, it's too late.
Please, please. Andy. I need to talk to you.
Go on.
What do you want from me?
I want you to take care of my heart. And I will take absolute care of your heart.
I'm not satisfied with your answer.
The moment you saved me from heartbreak, you've taken care of the key that holds my heart. Olive, you are
A very special woman.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Papa must hear this.
No, wait.
No, I have to call Papa.
Sit. No. Wait. Hey.
Baby.
My love, I know what you want to ask. I've spoken with the MD and he promised to give you a job.
You're not serious, are you?
I'm serious. I'm serious, my love. Anything for you. And guess what? He's coming down this weekend and it will be a perfect time for you to see him one-on-one.
Oh my! Oh, alright. I'm sorry. I was just excited.
I know you. That's nice.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Life with you is so meaningful.
And life without you is meaningless. I like that, baby.
So, I'm thinking of going to see your mother next week.
Really? Oh, don't make me cry now. You're making me remember my dad.
There's no need to get a mood swing. My dad is also your dad.
Yes, you're right. You're going to see my mom?
To tell her how wonderful she is to have met someone like you.
Oh, stop now. Don't make me blush.
Stop that.
Are you hungry?
Oh yes,
Let me get you dinner.
exactly. One more, so I'm done.
You're really going to see my mom?
Of course, we're skipping that.
Honestly, I can't wait to see your dad too.
God actually loves me.
What? Ah, you said the strangest things. I'm going to get dinner. Come in.
Alright.
Money then na sugar. If you know then na big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know there for pay as you go lover. Pay as you go lover. I know there for
Why are you so cursed? Oh, you are the new errand boy my husband employed recently, am I right?
Welcome.
Voila! He says, welcome. You know, it's so funny how you fell from grace to grass. And then from grass to the ashes. And then to the mods. Really? Oh, keep your sad mourning to yourself. I am your boss's wife, so you should greet me properly. You should acknowledge me by greeting me properly.
Good morning, ma.
Good. Get me a bottle of wine, please. Red wine, to be precise. And come here. You should acknowledge me by responding properly.
Okay, ma.
Oh, get lost. I wonder how you still manage to smell so good. Quickly, don't keep me waiting. Oh, come on, Auntie. Don't tell me you're still this daft. You couldn't even differentiate a red wine from this? Really? You need to grow up. I told you. I told you, Andy. I told you I was going to find someone richer and better. I mean, look at where I am. Look around you. It's my husband's office.
God is indeed wonderful.
Oh, shut up and don't talk about God.
Hello, honey.
Yes, darling.
Is my boss there?
Guess what? I have a big surprise. And it is standing right in front of me.
Okay. All right.
All right. Yes, darling. Oh, don't be a buffoon. Can't you see I'm on the phone with my husband? Stupid. Sorry, love. Okay. I'll talk to you later. I'm waiting. Bye.
All right.
More wine, please. What is it? Don't just stand there looking at me. Go on with your chores. Oh, be careful. Everything in this office is expensive.
I'm sorry, boss. Sorry, I actually need to join at the hospital. I'm very sorry. Everything is here.
Are you done with Obi Jackson's proposal?
Yes, boss. I'm almost done. I'm at the edge. But this weekend, I'll be done with it.
But you guys are really slow with that.
Yes, boss. This is the global source media. You said I should reply that, and I've replied them also.
Okay.
And this one is the last letter you told me to follow up with.
But you know, we really need to be fast with the project because I spoke with him earlier today.
Alright, boss. Alright, boss.
I'm sorry.
Boss. Okay then, you guys should work more and alright, we'll be off and let's sign the last one. Okay, you do it. Alright, boss. Excuse me, it's my boss.
If money then sugar. If you know then big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go lover. Pay as you go lover. I know they for pay as you go lover. If money then sugar. If you know then big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go lover. Pay as you go lover. I know they for pay as you go lover.
My boss, did he say anything?
If money then sugar.
No, wait a minute. Oh, wait. You mean... He's your boss? CJ, I'm talking to you.
He looks angry. I forgot to write the report. I forgot to write the report. It's true.
Whose car is this?
Get inside the car, I have a surprise for you.
No, you haven't answered my question. I said, whose car is this?
Honey, can we skip this now? We will talk about this later.
Don't skip this. I hope you didn't use part of the money to go get this car.
Please, can we talk about this later? Please, just enter the car.
You're keeping me in suspense and you know I don't like that.
And I promise to break that suspense pretty soon. Here we go.
What's going on?
Absolutely nothing is going on. Nothing really. It's just that we are back home.
I know. Home.
Yeah.
How? Why? I mean, no. Andy, do not tell me you pretended about everything and you lied all through. You intentionally made us pass through everything we went through.
Can we not talk about this here? Let's go inside so we can talk.
You lied? No, that's it.
No.
No. You lied?
Leave.
You don't have to blame me.
No, wait, you weren't passing through any hard time. You lied?
Olive, you can't possibly blame me after all I told you. Including the one you witnessed yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, honey. Yeah, I was wondering, the money I kept in the wardrobe, did you see it?
What money are you talking about? Is it the same money you asked me to give my mother for transport?
Wait. You mean you gave your mother 150,000?
Uh-huh.
You gave your mother 150,000 for transport?
Is
she going to heaven?
What do you mean is she going to heaven? Each time we start talking about money, you start being rude and you start raising your voice at me. Eh?
Wait.
No, wait, let me finish. You asked me to give her money. I simply carried out your order. I gave her the money in the wardrobe. Why are you shouting?
Brenda, are you joking? You gave your mother 150,000. So, are you for real? Huh? So you can't give her 20,000 or 30,000 for transport. You gave her 150,000.
No, you had 20,000 or 30,000. What will she use 20,000 naira for? Let me understand something. What is it with you and this defensive mechanism when it comes to money? You are becoming a stingy man by the day. Gradually. It started small. Oh. Now it's becoming very big. I didn't come to this house to come and suffer. Biko, don't even try it. Money you asked me to give to your own mother-in-law, the same woman that carried me and gave to you. You are here shouting.
Oh, no, but Brenda, you're obviously joking. You can't...
You're not even serious. Why am I even here arguing with you? 150 that you are shouting. Now bring down the house. Fire! Raise fire in the house and bring it down. Excuse me, Biko. Now bring fire and burn the roof down. Madman.
Jesus Christ. Is this what I'm going to see? Wait, is this what I'm going to pass through?
Do the last one, you haven't touched it. Okay, ma'am. Welcome, sir. Honey?
Okay, ma, I'm sorry. I'm coming back. Let me finish it up.
Okay. When you drop the box, you come and complete it. You're welcome.
Who is she?
Who? Oh, Agatha, our new maid.
Maid?
Yes, maid. I spoke English, not Spanish.
Wait. You employed a maid without my consent? Why?
I employed a maid without your consent. Am I not your wife? Can't I take decisions in this house anymore?
You are my wife. That's the main reason you have to tell me before taking such decision. How can you employ a maid without my consent? Are you out of your mind?
Well, if you don't need a maid, I do.
Well, I do not need a maid and she will leave this house. Hey. What's your name?
Agatha, sir.
Very good. Do you like your life? Like, do you like the air you breathe?
Yes, sir.
If you don't want to lose any of that now, get out of this house.
I don't understand. Leave to where? A maid I personally brought for myself, you're telling her she's going to leave. Did you bring her here?
Did you hear what I said? You don't want to lose any of that, do you? You don't. Okay. Wait for me then. I'll be right back.
Let you go and come. You're always going and coming, and by the time you come back empty-handed. Or even worse than you left. Rubbish, I brought a maid, you want to send her back. My dear, people continue what you're doing.
Ma, please, I have to go, please. Please.
Which one is place? I have to go. What is that? Are you that lily-livered? Is it because of this small ranting he ranted here? He's just a dog, that is how he barks. My dear, continue what you're doing.
Ma, please, I don't want to cause trouble. Oh, Biko.
Agatha! Andy, since you want trouble in this house, I will give it to you. We will finish it today. What is it?
That's it. I just had to do what I got to do to find a real person in my life. I didn't mean to. Please.
You lied? There was no...
Olive, the wicked act is enough for me to do what I had to do.
There was no bank loan, you lied.
I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry. I didn't... Can we go inside?
No. You lied.
Olive, I know I did. I know I did. I'm apologizing. Please, forgive me.
Jesus Christ, you lied.
Honey, are you crying?
What's bothering you?
Baby, don't make me to cry. Don't leave me now. Make me stay for her. So why?
Honey. Why are you doing this to yourself? Tell me the problem. Let me know what I could do to solve it. Please.
Andy is my ex-husband.
What did you say?
You heard me.
You've killed me. You finished me. I lost the job. My job. I have lost my job. I lost my job. I have lost it. I have lost my job. I've lost my job. I have lost my job. I have lost my job. Boss, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't know she was your wife.
Oh, come on, CJ. Come on. There's no point doing this. I know you weren't aware. Okay?
Boss, you don't understand.
Oh, CJ, just let it go. You're innocent, I know. Okay?
No, boss, you don't understand. I feel so guilty inside. I helped Brenda during the divorce process. Yes.
You did?
Yes, boss. Please forgive me, please. Please, boss, try to understand. I never knew.
Get out.
Boss, please.
Get out.
Please, boss.
Out.
Boss, please try out. Get out of my house! I'm sorry, boss. Boss, I am boss. You're happy about
it. You just shut that trap. Stop talking nonsense and let me think. Oh, you think that this job of yours is way important than what I have lost in my life?
Did you just say that rubbish to me? You are evil.
Look who is talking about being evil. Now let me tell you, CJ. You are a useless man. A very useless man.
You call me a useless man in my own house? So? Now get out of my house.
To where?
Out of my house.
I am going nowhere. CJ! CJ!
I don't want to lose it. Now out of my house.
I am going nowhere.
Get out.
CJ! Get. I said, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Where do you want me to go to? CJ! I'm warning you. Leave me alone.
You want to get down with me, right? Yes. You want to get down with me, right?
What are you
doing? You want to get down with me, right?
She be say our love go last, our love no go die. Waiting I see, me I agree, I don't know say na lie. You say we go there together, me and you forever. Now I don't discover, you be why your lover. If money then na sugar, if you know then I big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go, lover. Pay as you go, lover. I know they for pay as you go, lover. If money then na sugar, if you know then I big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go, lover.
What do I call myself? I'm foolish. I am a useless woman. I am that woman who sold honey to buy an empty honey bottle. I'm useless. Yes, I am useless.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Kajetan.
Sir?
Just have a seat.
Thanks, sir.
So, what can I do for you?
Sir, I have heard. I'm here for forgiveness. I never knew she was married to you. Please forgive me, sir.
I see. So, can I ask you a question, Kajetan?
Anything, sir. Any question, sir?
If you were in my shoes, would you still allow me work for you?
Never, sir. No, never. But, sir, I swear I have learned my lesson. I swear.
What lesson?
That I never knew she was married to you, sir. I never knew she was once your wife.
Look at Jetan, no matter who she was married to, you shouldn't have helped her with the divorce process without being sure of what the problem is.
You are right, sir. You are right.
So for that reason, I will stop you for working here. Oh yes, but I will pay you for 2 months' salary for you to get a job elsewhere.
Sir, you can't fire me, sir. It's just a tiny little mistake, sir.
Come on, you're already fired.
Oh no, sir, please. I can't leave this company, sir. Where will I start from?
You drop the car keys at the reception. Excuse me.
Sir. Sir, where will I start from? This is my life. This company is my life, so where will I go from here, sir? Sir, please. Please, sir.
If money then I sugar. If you know then I big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know there for pay as you go lover. Pay as you go lover. I know there for pay as you go lover.
What have I put myself into? I should have stayed away from this lady. The job I suffered for good 5 years to get. I just lost it. Hey, CJ. Oh, where do I start from? The job I suffered for 5 years to get, I lost it. Where do I start from? CJ.
Hell no. I'm taking it to court. You can't believe that fool diverted some funds meant for the commercial into his personal account. I'm not letting that go. Please.
And how could you hide such...
Okay, 1 minute. Let me call you back. Bruno, please have a seat.
I can't believe this. Oh, so you don't trust I could have kept my mouth shut?
Bruno, please just calm down. I know you're very angry, but just take a chill pill.
I can't believe this. All the crying, the bank loan stunt. How were you able to do this?
Bruno, I did it to save my life, to save my face, to sieve the seed from the chaff.
Hi. Oh boy, I'm Elena. Hey! My man, you are the boss. But that was so expensive.
Yeah, that was too real. At some point, I nearly got tired of myself. But it's all for the good.
Nah.
Come on, just stop that. Let me get you champagne to cool off, right?
Is everything okay?
No, I just lost my job.
You lost your job?
Yes. I need to let me talk to my boss.
I don't know your boss.
You do. Andy is his name. Andy is my boss.
That means you were the one he was talking to me about.
Oh.
I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do. He has already filed a complaint against you about diversion of public funds into your private account.
Brenda did not tell me everything. Brenda did not tell me everything. Oh. Is there anything you can do? Anything? Please.
He has filed a complaint against you already. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's my job.
Papa.
Andrew.
Oh yes, the son. Don't be surprised.
How? When?
Well, Papa, it's a long story. We need to sit down and talk.
Finished. I am finished, Mama. I'm finished. Hey.
Biko, hey. Calm down. What happened?
Mama, I just want this ground to open. Let it swallow me. I just want to die, Mama. I want to die.
God forbid. The ground will not swallow you. Nem, just calm down and tell me exactly what happened. Ogene, wait, who did this to your face?
Mama, leave the face. If it was this face, let them wound the other side. That is not the issue. Mama, you won't believe it.
What is it? Talk to me. What is it?
Mama.
Eh?
Andy. Is CJ's boss.
I don't understand.
Mama, CJ works for Andy. He works for Andy. CJ works for Andy, Mama. Hi.
So, Andy is actually rich.
Andy is rich. CJ will boy. Yeah, boy to Andy.
I miss what target, Inka.
Hi, Jesus.
We have missed the target. Eh? Hey.
I'm finished. I'm finished. Where do I start from? Where do I start from? How?
Calm down. Let's go home.
Hey.
Put yourself together. Let's go home.
Mama.
Oh? Let's go.
Mama, this is too much.
Let's go.
It's too much.
Let's go.
I thought I had it all planned out. I thought it had worked out for me, Mama.
Let's go home. Oh? Let's go. Let's go.
Mama, just leave me.
What are you doing?
Leave me. What am I living for? What am I living for, Mama? Just leave me.
Do that. Let's go. Let's go.
Andrew, that was too expensive. Do you know the amount of damage that whole thing caused to my health? Imagine the sleepless nights and the pains.
I'm so sorry, Papa. I'm deeply sorry. I just did what I feel would be the best for me. You know, I felt if I let you know, you might get tired of playing that game with me. Please. But not to worry. I've made plans to sending you abroad for your medical, checkup and calming your nerves down. It's all for the good. To avoid ending up with someone that is not worth it.
It's alright. We thank God that everything turned out to be a mirage.
Exactly, mirage, Papa. If not that game, man, I will just end up with the wrong person. And I'm glad to let you know that I've proposed to Olive and she accepted to marry me.
Olive? Olive is the lawyer, right?
Oh yes, Papa, not just the lawyer that stood by me during my difficult times.
That's good. She's a nice woman.
An extremely nice woman, Papa.
Congratulations, my son.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
You made the right choice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now I'm happy. I mean,
Same here.
But that was really expensive.
Oh yes, but something just needed to be done. Yeah, something needed to be done.
Hey!
Discover you be why your lover. If money then a sugar. If you know then a big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go lover. Pay as you go lover. I know they for pay as you go lover.
Angie! Good afternoon, my dear. Sit down. Hey! Very fine. Just see me.
Yeah, I can see you're just enjoying.
I can't get
My lord, you're welcome.
What did you just call him?
Is he not my in-law?
Quiet. Just go and keep down your dirty mouth in the bag. Oh, Andrew.
Papa?
How's your father?
Auntie.
Oh, my father is fine. You see, actually, I just left my workplace to come. I appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
You're a good man.
Oh.
People like you are rare in this world. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for being there for me when I needed you most. Appreciate you, Papa.
Thank you very much, Andrew. First of all, let me offer you kola nut. Yes. Let me offer you kola nut.
Hey! Thank you, welcome.
Brenda, get the kick here, go and greet your husband. Nah, your wife is here.
Andrew.
Ken, what's up? No, I'm not in town at the moment.
Andrew.
Not really. Is there a problem?
Andrew.
Hold phone. Don't you have sense? Yes.
He's on the phone.
Oh, very good. What are we waiting for?
Yes.
Okay. Right, I'll call you back in a minute, sir. Let me just conclude this, sir. Okay.
This one can stay there.
Alright, thank you. Sorry, man, I was on phone.
I can see that. This is kola nut. Hey, God Almighty, I thank you for the life of this young man here, Andrew. And I thank you for every good soul that is living today. This is kola nut, your own creation. Bless it and bless us that are about to eat it.
Amen.
Let us eat it in good health and long life.
Amen.
In Jesus' mighty name.
Amen.
Yes.
And amen.
This kola nut is good.
Yes.
It has 4 lobes.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, take one.
Thank you, Papa.
Very good.
Nai, Brenda, go and buy beer for your husband to wash down the cola. Very important.
So how's your father?
Papa is fine.
That's great.
So, quick one, Papa. You see, I was out of my busy schedule. Just wanted to stop by, to appreciate you. Like I said earlier, you're a good man. And you deserve the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for everything. Oh, thank you very much. This is a token of 1 million naira.
Are you a dog? Idiot.
That's not all. Anytime you need anything,
call on me. And if you feel like having a rest, anytime you want, come over to my mansion and rest.
Hey!
Okay?
Thank you very much.
You don't need to thank me. You deserve the best. You deserve even more.
Hey! Andy, 1 million naira for me. Hey.
So I have to run along. Some people are waiting for me in the office.
Thank you very much. Go well, my dear.
Thank you.
Hey!
So, and if you feel like having vacation, I'm actually planning in the next 3 months. I'll fly you abroad to, have your vacation.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much.
Have you heard of Santorini, Greece, Dubai? Have you?
That name sounds so strange to my ears.
I am going to fly you there in the next 3 months.
Eh? Hey. Oh, thank you very much.
My in-law. Welcome. Why not wait just a little while? I'm making ohasu.
Very sweet ohasu.
Very delicious.
Muggle.
Milo. Thank you very much. Come back from there.
I want to see human being now. It's not of you. So, Papa, let me run along. Get ready, right?
That is
Get
my
out
in-law.
of the way. I'm not done with
Hey!
Papa, when did you say he's coming again? Mama, we have to do something. What do? We have to do something. We need to do something.
Just calm down. I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. My in-law. Pam. My in-law.
Who is barking like a dog there?
Oh. My in-law. It is not a dog. Good morning, sir.
What do you want?
Hey. My in-law, you sound angry.
Oh, talk now. You can see that I was doing something there before I came. What do you want? Talk!
Please. Don't be offended. I've come to talk to you as a father.
Father? Who is your father? Me? Please, if you have anything to say. I'm very busy.
I know you're angry. Honestly, you have every reason to be angry. My daughter and I, we made a very big mistake. Please, help us to beg Andy. Tell him we are very sorry. Biko. Oh, Biko, please.
Money then sugar. If you know then I make you wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for as you go love.
My lord, it was not intentional.
As you go love. I know they for as you go love. If money then sugar. If you know then I make you wahala.
What you're asking me to do is very difficult and I cannot do it.
Bruno, please. Please, just help me.
I cannot.
Bruno.
Excuse me.
Bruno, please. Bruno.
I don't understand, Brenda. Which Andy are you asking me to help you beg? Which Andy?
Please just help me. I still love him. To the deepest part of my heart, I love him. Please.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll call you back. Let me call you back.
are you doing here? I've been looking for you.
Brenda invited me here. She wants me to help her appeal to you, beg you, and let you know that she's still in love with you.
Oh, really?
Andy, please, look at me.
Don't touch me when you're talking. Makola. Proceed.
Please. I want you to forgive me. Forgive me for everything I did to you. I don't know what came over me. I did everything out of ignorance. Please, I beg you, please. Please just forgive me. Olive, please help me talk to him. Please. Please.
That's an invitation. You are invited. My love, let's get out of here. For waiting.
I said I'm sorry, please. I know they for pay as you go, lover. Pay as you go, lover. I know they for pay as you go, lover.
Mama, why are you doing this now? Brenda! I said, come on, Mama, wait, now. Leave this plate now.
Mama, I've not eaten since morning. Why are you doing this?
You're very stupid.
You want to bite me because of a plate of food, beans.
Oh! You've not eaten anything since morning. And you expect me to feed you. Eh? You will sit at home instead of you to go out there and look for money. Make good money, you're here. Depending on my food. And you called my food just a plate of food. Oh, okay,
Mommy. Eh? Me, Mama.
Brenda! Kantiwa Ziako Ibun Subwe. You're a useless girl. You're very useless.
What did you call me, Mama? I'm useless. You are the worst mother any child would pray to have on earth. You are wicked, Mama.
Brenda! You are the worst daughter any woman will ever desire as a child. In this life and even in the next life.
You are heartless, Mama. And the God I serve will punish you. God will punish you. God will punish you, Mama. Mama, because of you. God will punish you. For everything you made me go through, God will punish you, Mama.
God will punish you. God is punishing you.
God will punish you.
God is punishing you already.
She be say our love go last, our love no go die. Waiting I see, me I agree, I don't know say na lie. You say we go there together, me and you forever. Now I don't discover, you be why your lover. If money then I sugar, sugar. If you know then I dig you wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go, lover. You go, lover. I know they for pay as you go, lover. If money then I sugar, sugar. If you know then I dig you wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go, lover. Pay as you go, lover. If money then I sugar, sugar. If you know then I dig you wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as as you go, lover. Pay as you go, lover.